today we're going to be getting the honey supers off the hives. It's about 2 weeks too late for our region to be taking them off, but the weather has been great, so we've just left them on. And we'll see how much honey we get. So we're smoking them to calm them down. They're not very aggressive. Not yet, anyways. This is the one that sticks a lot. Oh, they've got lots of them. Well,
centers.
Yeah, take the center out if you can. We'll see what's going on. They're pretty tame.
Very cool.
Oh, see, that's all capped honey. And that's all capped honey. And these are all capped honey, I can see. Okay, so. So this is where we're putting the frames of honey. We've got 2 empty honey supers. I've got some old towels, and I'm hiding them in here, and the bees will come out. There are hardly a few in there, but we keep the towel over so that other bees don't start robbing this. Action shots, I guess. So this is the bees. They're doing pretty good here. They didn't do a lot of honey in the honey box, but they put it down here in the brood chamber. This year, off of 5 hives, we got 2.5 boxes of honey, which is pretty good considering we're in a severe drought. The bees had put honey in their brood chambers, so that's good. We will still have to feed them this winter, making up a fondant. So hopefully they survive. This is a setup that I use. I have this heated knife, and it uncaps the top of the wax off the honeycomb, and then it gets put into our spinner, which is just a 2-frame because we're hobbyists. If we had a bigger setup, we might get a bigger head. And it uses centrifugal force like this, and flings out the honey, and the honey comes down to here, and then when it gets full, up to about here, we empty it into another container, which is right over here, with a strainer to collect the wax and any bits of stuff that shouldn't be in honey out. And you can see it's quite fine, the straining. And then it's saved in the buckets, and then we bottle it. This is the cappings. That's what the bees put on when their honey is at a certain humidity. They cap it. And all this stuff will be drained, and then the excess honey taken out and put into our bottling. And the wax will be cleaned and put into candles.